It is the part 1 video consisting of the UI only. In the next video, in the part 2, we will be authenticating this application in real time using the PHP and MySQL. Also, full code link is given in the description. This is the default boilerplate application of the Flutter app. I have created the different file for the different screen. For example, for the login screen, I have created the login.dot. The stateful widget login page UI return a container, and I have given the property of linear gradient. The red and blue color are just for the demonstration. I have already created it, so let me just copy paste the actual colors and give the begin property alignment dot top center and alignment dot bottom center. This login screen return the container. In child property, I am writing the center widget. Again, it take the child parameter. In this parameter, I will be supplying the glassmorphism UI. You can simply head over to the pop.dev and install the dependency glassmorphism UI. After it, enter flutter pub-get and it will install all the dependency. In the pop.dev, you can see that it contains many glassmorphic element like glass container, which we'll be using in this video. Just copy it and paste it over here. Also, don't forget to import the library glassmorphism UI.dot. One beautiful glass container is in the center. Quickly give the border radius parameter, blur strength parameter, desired height, desired width. Again, this class container contain a child parameter. You can give it any child widget you want. First of all, we will give padding of 20 from all side. For the child property, we will give the column which take the list of widget, and we will provide the text field one by one for username, passcode, login button, etc, etc. Oh, there is one error. As you have noticed that we have directly written the container which does not have the property of the text field, so we have to return the scaffold somewhere, and I haven't written the scaffold in anywhere. So let me return the scaffold, and in child I will call the login signup UI or login page UI. Now the error is gone. I have already created one text field, so let me copy paste it. We need a lot of text field. Now there is a two approach. One is to create this text field one by one and change this name one by one, like for the username, changing the label text to the username and changing icon to the username, and we have to create like more than 10 times. So it is not the convenient method to create this text field widget one by one and give all the name. Instead, we will create a simple function or a widget named text field so that we can call it and we don't have to write the code multiple time. Quickly create the text field UI.dot, import the material.dot and create a widget name anything you like. Let me create a text field UI. So it take a parameter. Quickly let me give a parameter. Now this widget must return the text field. I have already created this one more time, so I can quickly copy paste it. Also, the full code link is in the description. Definitely you can check that. I am only giving the decoration, so let me quickly fast forward the video till I make this widget. We have successfully created the text field UI widget. Quickly import it. Now instead of writing the text field one by one, we can simply call the text field UI widget and supply the parameter. Let me call text field UI and quickly supply the parameter. Icon.email icon. So how easy it is. We need one more text field for the password. So let me quickly create the text field UI, and in case of the password, the obscure text is true. It means that when you will type the password, the character will be hidden. So supply the parameter true at last. Now we need a login button. We can simply do that by creating an elevated button with text child. In that child we can give the text widget. In that text we can give simple login. Simply write nothing on the onPress property. We will talk about this onPress property later in the video. Okay, the login button is there. We just have to give it some styling. Some border radius, primary color, shape, size. Now it look pretty good. Let me give a size box of height like 20 or 15 between the password and the login widget. Okay, now the login button is wider. Also let me give a height of 45. Let's see what it look like. Now it's good. The login page is pretty completed. Let me give some style to this text. Doesn't have an account register now. I have already created this earlier, so let me copy paste it. In place of this text, I am simply pasting this. So okay, it's just like the same as before, but I have given some styling. Also in the onPress property of this sign up now text, I have given the navigator.push context and sign up UI, which isn't defined yet. I hope you know this. Now quickly create the sign up UI dot. Import the material dot and create a stateful widget named sign up UI, which you have called in navigator.push or onPress property in the sign up button. Now when I click on the sign up button, it is redirecting me to this sign up dot screen. The sign up screen is also pretty similar, like almost 90% similar to the login page. You can simply copy paste everything from the login page. This class container, everything. The difference between the login and sign up screen is just the sign up screen consists of some few extra text field. Other than that, everything is similar, literally everything. Okay, now let's see. When I click on sign up, so it is redirecting me to the sign up screen. Now we have to call this text field UI widget one by one by supplying the desired parameter, and our UI is completed. Now let's call the widget one by one. The first text field surely contain the username, icon dot person. Okay, but we forget to keep the padding, so quickly wrap it inside the padding widget and give the padding from all as a 20. Now it's good. We need more text field UI, so I quickly created it. Now there is the 4 text field UI in the sign up page. Also we need a sign up button, which you can copy from the login dot. We have already created that earlier. In case of the login, we need the sign up button. Also we have the text doesn't have an account, sign up now in the login page. The similar text must be in the sign up screen as well, like already have an account, login. So I simply copy paste the text. Now in place of this text I have to write another text. Also in the onPress property I can simply give navigator.pop. It means that from which screen you are coming to this screen, just go back to that screen. As the name suggests, navigator.pop. In the text already have an account, and in the second text let me give a login. Let me see what it look like. Now it's pretty good. The login and sign up button are not working. We will be discussing that in the part 2 video. In the part 2 we will authenticate this in real time using the PHP and MySQL. For now let me quickly go to the official api.flutter.dev and let me copy a simple alert dialog box. Okay, like it's very cool, so let me add it. In the onPress property of the sign up button, paste the code you have copied from the official Flutter page. Also the code is in the description. In the navigator.push, simply go to the my home page. Let's see what's the result. Okay, now it's good. This is it for the part 1 video. See you in the part 2. Till then, do a subscribe and check out my blog page. So thanks for watching.